Okay, here are our puppies. They are 2 weeks old today. And not that you can tell right now, but they all have their eyes open. And they're starting to take their first little steps. Your little puppies need to wake up. I think they must have just eaten. You're in your little milk coma. Let's see if I can separate them for you. This one is one of our big boys. Hey, puppy dog. And then, where are you going? Here is the other boy. Our two boys look very similar. You want to be snuggled with everybody else. Okay, those are the boys. And here's a little girl. Let's see your face. Just the cutest little face. And here's a little girl. Here's her little face. And here's another girl. Where are you going? She's very pretty. She's our most petite one. And then this is our last little girl. And here are her markings. She's very pretty. Let's. Where are you going? You think you can walk? Trust me, hardwoods will not be your friend. Come here. Come here. There you go. Alright, well that's it. These are our puppies. Maybe next week they'll be running. Yeah. Look at you almost walking. Alright. Good luck on the hardwoods. Let me see if I can spin our mat around. Ooh. Oh. So you can see these faces. Alright, so see you next week.